So today we're going to be talking about this unit from this company called Bilace Wig, and this is their new packaging. And they sent inside, you get a pamphlet with just, you know, details about their units and how to care for them. And then they sent some stocking caps. Y'all know I love getting these from companies. They also sent a wig brush, really cute. And then they sent the adjustable band because the unit comes with, it has one here and then it has combs, but it also has places here for you to hook your elastic band just to make this a more glueless unit. So I'm gonna open that up now. And this is just what it looks like. And then it comes apart here where it says wig at. It comes apart, so if you need to like make it longer, you can make it longer just to fit your head. I have a pretty normal size head though, so I'm gonna keep it in the first one. It's just like that, but it is very adjustable. And then you just clamp it into your unit. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this little bitty lace off of the back of the unit. This is just hard to cut sometimes, so when it's on your head. So I like to cut it beforehand, and if I don't cut it beforehand, I leave it on there, child. And then this is the unit. This is definitely a straight out of the box unit, although I did not apply it straight out of the box. I definitely bleached my knots a little bit more. They came a little bit pre-bleached, but I went in and bleached mine completely and plucked my unit. So yeah, I'm gonna cut a little bit of this lace off just so I can see a little bit better. Being a really easy install just because this wig is like so flawless. Like, shout out to them for that. My little 5-minute install with this unit. I'm not gonna do the most because I don't think you need to do the most with this unit. The last time I did this with my other short unit, you guys were a little confused. So this time I'm gonna go ahead and part the hair down, the baby hair down, because y'all were confused on like how do I keep the baby hair from getting stuck in the freeze spray. So I'm gonna part it down and apply it. This way there are no, you know, it's still the same method. I just parted the hair down so everybody gets how I'm doing it and it's not any misunderstandings. This is literally one of the quickest ways to install your lace, in my opinion. Some people will probably disagree. Another quality that I was really impressed with about this wig was the parting. So it goes pretty far back, and I really liked it. The lace is literally fucking invisible, so that's a plus. what length this is. I want to say it's 16, but maybe, I think it's 14 inches. Yeah, I think this one is 14 inches. What I like about this unit versus any other short unit I've ever received is that it is like already in a style. Like it's in like a bob, but it's not like that awkward short ass length that I just hate. Like, I love this unit, like, baby, I love it. It's just pretty. It's already cut into like an angle. This is how the hair turned out. As I said, this lace is pretty much invisible, so I definitely recommend this company. All of their information is going to be in the description box. I did like a little jumbo braid right here, so that's why this side is like kind of pushed back, but you can't really see my braid, but it's super cute. This hair is super soft. Like, I never heard of this company before, but I'm here for it. Like, I'm here for this. Here for it, yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button whether you liked it or not, because you're watching, so you might as well hit the subscribe button. And I'll talk to y'all in my next one.